Well, looky here, another watch from a brand that's been tearing it up in the budget watch category, WM Watch. This is the WM206. Let's check it out. Oh, it's a case. I knew that was in there. I don't know why I thought. The reveal. Oh, yes. That is tasty, right? Man, let's get this thing out of here and see if we can get the wrap off and give you a full-blown walk around of this bad boy. Man, that one took a little while, but look at this thing. Now, immediately, I love this bezel. So this is a like a bicolor inlay bezel. So the base is stainless steel, and then you've got this color kind of filled in here. So it's flush on top. You can kind of feel those numerals and the lines here. Man, that's got a beautiful look to it, right? And I'll say immediately, I want to tell you about the indices and the handset. So there are 3 different colors of this watch available. On this color, it appears to be gold for the handset and the indices. Gold color, of course. The others are silver. And in some of the shots, this watch looks silver. And in others, they look like they have a gold color to them. So I can tell you now, having it in person, that it's definitely like a rose gold. It's very light. So it really does take on that appearance, kind of a bit of a silver in some light and a light gold in others. But you can see the bezel here has that more silver look. And if you kind of stare at that, and then look at the indices, it'll fool you into thinking that the indices are silver too. So very subtle, but that's nice. So this is a 316L stainless steel case. You've got vertical brushing on the mid case here. Top side of the lugs matches the bracelet and a polished chamfer. The bracelet gets that 5-link look with polished and brushed links. Polishing on the sides as well, and push pins for sizing. There's a flat sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, and you've got a Cyclops over the date window. Confirmation of sapphire crystal. Now let's check the Cyclops. Yeah, it is. Cool. And just mineral crystal on the exhibition case back. And I'll tell you more about that movement in just a minute here, but first let's look at that dial. It's a 3D oil-pressed wave dial, or sand dial, if you will. And this is one of those that's kind of subtle, you know, you can see it up close, but from a distance, it just kind of has that off-white appearance. There's a very unique handset from the hour and minute kind of having a similar or matched effect, and then this kind of anchor second hand, so very unique. And again, I love those indices, and they've got like a little orange pop of color right behind them towards the rehaut inside the chapter ring as well. I think this has BGW9 luminescence on the handset, the indices, and the bezel pip. We'll give you that lume shot in a little while here. And there's a signed screw-down crown to go with the screw-down case back, 200 meters of water resistance. And taking a closer look at that bezel, so it is polished on the sides to contrast the brushwork on the case. And that always, for me, means it's a little more slippery. So let's see how this one is. It's a 120-click unidirectional. Yeah, it's got good action, but it is kind of hard to grab. It's a little slippery. It got a few notches there for you to grab. And if you do it on the top side and the bottom, I think that's probably the best spot, even though the end link is kind of limiting your purchase, if you will. But yeah, it feels okay. And like I said, the action's really good. So the movement inside, they're using the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. It's got 24 joules, beats at 21,600 vibrations per hour. Got about a 41-hour power reserve. Has automatic and hand winding, hacking or stop seconds device, and the quick set date as well. Has a stated accuracy of about -20 to +40 seconds per day. And you can see here on my time grapher, not a comprehensive reading, just one pass through, one position, dial up, after being fully wound straight out of the box. All right, let's get the measurements, and then I'll try it on for you and give you that lume shot. So they list it as a 42 millimeter, and I'm getting 41.2 actually. 48 2 millimeters in lug-to-lug length, But there are kind of male end links here, so I'll give you that measurement too. 52.3 millimeters if you include that. 20 millimeter lug width, and the bracelet has a taper down to 18. An overall thickness of 12.4 millimeters, and the watch weighs 154 grams with all links on the supplied bracelet. Speaking of which, the bracelet has 6 micro adjusts. You've got a milled clasp here with the WM watch logo on it. No safety latch, just a double push button release. And again, your link sizing is manipulated by push pins. All right, let me try it on for you. Today, though, I am wearing the Cadison C8247. This is that hammered dial that just takes on, it's very dynamic. It's like a turquoise at times and a dark blue at others. You can see it's got this gradient dial as well. Fun watch, man. This is really cool. Check out more on this video here. And here's the WM206 on my 8-inch wrist. This is nice. 42 millimeter. Again, you saw my measurements, though. It might be just a little bit smaller than that. And then I've got room to take out probably at least one link, more kind of like the usual for me. But yeah, that's got a nice look. I love these colors. That off-white or, cream dial with the turquoise and the orange, and then of course the goldish colored handset and indices. It's got a really good look going for it. And there's your luminescence shot. Hey, that's kind of fun. We've got bicolor. So the indices and the bezel pip are kind of blue or BGW9. And then the handset has got at least the hour and minute hand has kind of got a green appearance to it. Looks like it's fading a little bit, so probably not the best on longevity, but love the colors. So the WM206 runs about $152 US on the WM Watch website. You can also get it for about $141 on AliExpress, but the shipping brings you up to about the same price as on the WM website. It comes in 3 different colors. You've got the off-white that I've been showing you, and then there's an ocean blue and a green dial. Man, so they put together a fun watch here, huh? I love this bezel. I mean, with the 316L stainless steel base, popping through on the top side there. You can see how it reflects off of light. Then you've got that bicolored inlay paint. This is just a beautiful looking watch. And the handset is a little funky. That might be something that could be a deal breaker for some. Just kind of a bit of enough of a quirkiness for me. I kind of like it how it's just unorthodox. What do you think? Leave your comments down below. And if you're kicking around on YouTube a little longer, maybe check out a couple of these videos. I'll see you over there. I'm Whit with so many watches, so little time and money.